Nearly all of us in America, 95%, have a cell phone, and the phone company captures a lot more data than just the numbers we dial. In fact, police can use that information to track where we've been. When you use your phone, it signals the closest cell tower. As you move around, it keeps reconnecting to the nearest tower, and that leaves a record. Digital breadcrumbs. Suspecting a Detroit man of robbing several smartphone stores, the FBI got the tower location records from his cell phone provider to prove he was near all the stores when they were robbed. But his lawyers say the case should be thrown out because the FBI did not get a search warrant and should have, because those records can reveal so much.
Access to these aggregations of our historical location records present the government with a veritable time machine, an ability to press rewind on someone's life and learn where we've been over weeks and months far into the past.
Both liberals and conservatives on the court seem concerned about an invasion of privacy. Justice Sotomayor said a cell phone can be pinged in your bedroom or doctor's office, in the most intimate details of your life. And Chief Justice Roberts said you really don't have a choice these days about sharing that information if you want to have a cell phone. The court appeared ready to say that cell phones can reveal so much they deserve more protection from Big Brother. Pete Williams, NBC News at the Supreme Court.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.